La 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 Kannari na.
Good afternoon, my dear students. Welcome for to the online class of 10th standard. So in the previous class we are discussing about the freedom movement. In this lesson we have discussed already about the some concept like rise of nationalism, Indian National Congress, how it was founded, who were the founders, who were the members, how in Indian National Congress the groups were created like moderates and the radicals, and partition of Bengal, how it took place and how it was cancelled, withdrew by the British government in the year 1911. That all we have studied very clearly. So today we once again are going to recall one more group in the Indian National Congress which splitted and came out. They are called as a revolutionaries. So these revolutionaries are very danger than the other two group, moderates and the radicals. Why? Because the revolutionaries need a very sudden changes in the movement. So they are going to attain a full complete freedom from the Britishers. So that's why what they have done, they started to collect a young youths all over the India by making motivational speech and providing military training for them and how to loot the weapons from the British and how to attack secretly on the British officers, collecting money, and how that will be used for the development of the separate army of the revolutionaries. So this revolutionary group not only formed in India, it also started to organize in the other part of the India wherever the Indians were settled, because whatever the money and the support needed for these revolutionaries, it is also going to be supported by the settled peoples in the out of country. So example we can give that Lotus and Dagger, it was one of the secret revolutionary operation which started in England, and thereafter too they started to support for the development of activities in India to fight against with the Englishes. Among the Lotus and Dagger, one of the member, his name known as Aurobindo Ghosh, who settled in England and collected the peoples who settled in England, those who are Indians, started to create awareness among how to fight against with the Britishers in India. The same kind, one of another revolution which started in USA, a organization, it is called as Ghadar Party. So it is also supported for the revolutionaries activities in the India. Among in India also the same kind of a secret organization started, where two, one is Abhinava Bharata and another one is Anushilana Samiti. So what these revolutionaries are going to use a method to fight against with the Britishers. Already I told you their intention was to make complete freedom for the India. So that's why they started to collect the bombs and guns and looting the wealth of the British treasure at the night time, operating secretly and making fearness for to the British soldiers, how cruelly they are going to attack on the British. So these kind of activities when started, the government of British, means the English East India Company, started to suppress these all kind of activities, giving very crucial and very cruel, so the punishment for to the Indians who are going to join for to the revolutionary activities. So example, who were the revolutionaries I have written here. So look at, I will read their names: Aurobindo Ghosh, V.D. Savarkar, Ashwini Kumar Dutt, Raj Narayan Bose, Sitaram Rajguru, and Chapekar brothers, Vishnu Shastri, Shamaji, Krishna Varma, Ras Bihar Bose, Madam Kama, Khudiram Bose, Ram Prasad Bismillah, Saif Ali Khan, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Jitinder Das. So these are all the best example for the revolutionaries who created the revolutionary activities in India. The dream of revolutionaries want to bring very quick changes in the activities, and still they do not have a proper foundation, but they were totally motivated to make India free from the British. So the many radicals later started for the revolutionary activities also. Aurobindo Ghosh was one of the such leader, so who was before in the group of radicals and converted for to the revolutionaries. One more best example we can take Subhash Chandra Bose, who was first supported first Gandhiji in the Indian National Congress as a moderate. Later he joined for to the radical group along with the Chittaranjan Das and Motilal Nehru, and later he founded Forward Bloc. Afterwards he founded an INA, Indian National Army. Later at last moment he converted for to the revolutionary activity. So these are some kind of information how initially or in the beginning stage the Indian National Congress fought in a different attempt to make India free from the British. So the lesson is completed. So if you have any doubt regarding to the lesson, you can question me, and exercise question you have to write. So see the exercise question answers of the fill in the blanks. The Indian National Congress was founded in the year 1885. It is the right answer. The drain theory was forwarded by two people, Dadabhai Naoroji and R.C. Dutt. Swaraj is my birthright was declared by, yes, correct, Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. This was the slogan which was dedicated for to the Indian National Congress during the time of 1911 by Bal Gangadhar Nath Tilak is the right answer. Bal Gangadhar Nath Tilak published two newspapers. Do you know which are that? One is Marathi, it is in the English, and Kesari, it is in the Marathi language. A secret organization named Abhinava Bharata. So it was belong to which group? Either moderates, revolutionaries, either the radicals. Which one is the answer? Correct, it is the revolutionaries. And choose the right option and fill in the blanks. The founder of Indian National Congress is, they have given option A, Mahatma Gandhi ji, option B, A.O. Hume, option C, Bal Gangadhar Nath Tilak, option D, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Do you know which is the correct answer? Yes, right, it is A.O. Hume was the founder. And Maratha paper was published by option A, Jawaharlal Nehru, option B, Ras Bihari Bose, option C, Bal Gangadhar Nath Tilak, option D, V.D. Savarkar. Yes, it's the right answer, C, Bal Gangadhar Nath Tilak. Muslim League was founded in dash. Option A 1924, option B 1922, option C 1929, option D 1906. Yes, it's the right answer, 1906, after the partition of Bengal, to make all the Muslims to live in a unity. So this which one? The Muslim League was established. And the fourth, choose the correct answer. The viceroy who implemented the Bengal division was option A, Lord Cornwallis, option B, Dalhousie, option C, Lord Curzon, option D, Robert Clive. Which is the right answer? Yes, correct, it is the viceroy, Lord Curzon. Option C is the right answer. The same discuss in a group and answer the following questions are very easy. So read thoroughly the textbook or a lesson completely. If you are not getting any answers for to the exercise questions of the third main, so I will send you the PDF note. You can copy it directly for your fair, and be touch with this lesson because these are very important for your annual examination base. Soon within this week I will conduct a 1 unit test on the freedom movement. So be very careful and read it and prepare the notes Have a nice day. Be careful. Goodbye. Thank you.